In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get many buckets using AWS S3 in N8N, step by step. If you work with cloud storage, automate file workflows, or just want to pull a full list of your S3 buckets into N8N, this is a quick and useful setup to know. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple N8N tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your N8N workflow and go to the Nodes panel. From there, search for AWS S3 and select it. This is the node you'll use to connect N8N with your Amazon S3 account and work with your bucket data. Once the AWS S3 node is added to your canvas, click on it to open the configuration panel. The next step is to choose the operation called Get Many Buckets. This option is specifically used when you want N8N to retrieve a list of buckets from your AWS S3 account instead of working with just one bucket at a time. After selecting Get Many Buckets, you'll need to configure the node by giving it the required details. Enter your AWS credentials so N8N can authenticate with your account. Make sure the access key, secret key, and any other required connection settings are filled in correctly. If your setup uses a region, choose the correct AWS region as well so the node can connect properly. Now review the rest of the configuration fields and make sure everything is matched to your AWS account. The goal here is simply to give the node the details it needs so it can access your S3 service and fetch the bucket list successfully. Once your details are entered, save the node and run the workflow or test the node to confirm it works. If everything is set up correctly, N8N will return your S3 buckets and show the results in the output panel. That's it. You've now learned how to get many buckets using AWS S3 in N8N. It's a simple process. Choose the AWS S3 node from the Nodes panel, select Get Many Buckets, and configure it by giving the required details. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more N8N automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.